So cute down there. Should we call him? Should we call him? I called him. I can't do it to Mike because I can't afford to replace Mike's car. That was wrong. That was wrong. I'm sorry for that. I do apologize. Vince, I'm sorry. I had to do it. I do love your car though. I'm like a kid in a candy store. Oh, that was wrong. Vince, I really am sorry for that. I was gonna do it right by your back window. Or right by your window. It sees I was down. But I chose to do it a little bit in front of your car. That was wrong. Keep going.
Here we go. Keep filming. Steve's idea a month ago was to do a tug-of-war. This has never gone in the video, but
It's definitely going
we'll
on.
do it now. Was to do a tug-of-war with our trucks. Now he has a dually, I don't. So at first I was like, well, I'm gonna lose. I don't really want to, but then I thought better of it. I was like, oh, it'll be fun for a video. Let's go. Now Steve is afraid and doesn't want to do it.
I did hear him say he was afraid.
He did say multiple times because he's afraid his poor little F450 is gonna break.
Now guys, this is where
you tell him?
this is where I want to turn and say that bullying should not be part of school. It shouldn't be part of real life. This is straight bully situations.
Aren't you the one that bullied Mike into the situation?
Right.
Yes.
Yeah.
Guys, if you don't know, this is Tunnel Chasers.
I did not know.
Give him a follow.
Look at him with his Ford hat. He's already got the.
Oh, dude, I can.
Oh my god. I didn't even notice that. Every time I hung out with him, it was demon.
The car?
Yeah, pretty much.
Wow. So anyway, this is what bullying looks like. And I'm still not going to do the tug-of-war because if you guys have watched some of my videos. Anywho, if you have watched some of my videos, my truck is the main reason I make money nowadays. So I don't want to break it. If I was financially wealthy, I would do it. I would gamble it, but I'm not going to do it.
Rear-wheel drive tug-of-war on a dirt road. What's that going to break? Your spirit, your ego, your pride.
Everything.
Those three things for sure.
You were just towing.
It's a lose-lose video.
No, you were just towing.
It's a lose-lose video, like
So
I
what?
told
Either
Mike.
it works out and then you lose to his truck.
If
or
I lose,
it breaks
it's just
and
a
you lose.
clash of like, oh man, Ford suck, yada yada yada. If he wins, it's well, his truck is bigger, badder, it should win.
Saving a Ford.
I gave you that video.
I'll tow you home after your break.
I gave you that video.
That
This,
was nice
this
of you.
part's
I
not gonna make
appreciate
it. The beginning will. Yeah. I did give Mike that video.
I gave you the shout out.
Holler.
That would honestly, that would be the best case scenario.
I had no idea. I can't believe you didn't bring it. I was ready to do the. I'm ready to do the tug-of-war. I brought my truck out, and he drives the McLaren.
Okay.
I brought the truck.
Good news is everybody knows you're a liar. Just filmed what I said in there, so.
I was ready to do it. I was ready to do it. I can put in whatever I want. This is my world. My world right here. But I gotta give Vince some credit here. I absolutely wanted one of these, but now I can't buy one.
It's not tainted yet. You were supposed to drive it. I'm bitching out on that.
I do want to drive it, but the problem is I'm going to drive it and then I'm going to want to sell the vet. So then the vet's going to be for sale next week, and I'm going to be in a GT350, not an R though.
Wow.
I don't know, because I like sound deadening and
It's not that bad.
no.
Pretty good. Yeah.
All right, well, you got to fire it up for my channel. So if you guys don't know Vince already, I've already put it in there. It is Tunnel Chasers. That is in quiet mode. And then obviously performance mode. Man, I love it. God, I want one so bad. I don't know if this would be the color choice I would pick or not, but I definitely love this car. Guys, I've seriously been contemplating one. I'm never gonna do it though.
Traditional Chevy. Do it.
Yeah, there we go. He's filming. So Steve, why can't we drive to a dirt road and do the tug-of-war?
We can, let's go.
Because your truck's gonna be in limbo.
Let's go. Are you scared? If you're scared, say you're scared.
I'm ready.
Let's do it in the driveway. What's wrong with the driveway?
You were the one who said don't do it. I would rather do a dirt road than driveway.
I'd rather do it right here in the driveway.
Because you got more traction.
Let's show them how crazy you are.
You got more traction here.
Traction isn't a factor in this.
Pretty big factor.
It's actually a huge factor, but
It's actually one of only two factors.
yeah, definitely. How far is this said dirt road?
It's like a mile. You're not gonna be in limp mode. You'll be fine.
I'm not worried about limp mode. All right, let's do it. Let's suit up.
Are you gonna do it?
Absolutely.
Oh, let's go.
We're gonna do it.
All right.
Oh, I gotta get closing with him. I gotta do.
Oh, so you want me out of here? All right, so like I said in my last little drive over here, I said we're gonna do it. I'm not scared.
I'm not scared. I already said I was gonna lose.
I think it's a disappointing video for us both. Win, lose, or draw for either one of us, it's a lose-lose. And that's not coming from a Ford guy or a Chevy guy. That is just coming from somebody who enjoys all brands, all makes and models.
On four-wheel drive, just so we can.
I'm not gonna go in four-wheel drive. I wouldn't do that to you.
I don't want to break anything.
Yeah, I'm not gonna do four-wheel drive. That's definitely not worth it for me.
Especially with an IFS, I don't want to.
Yeah, and like I've been saying, guys, like this has been what's making my money. So like I was a little nervous at first. I didn't want to chance breaking it or anything like that. But for you guys, I will do it, and we're gonna do it. Let's go do this. All right, so I did want to actually touch on a little subject that bullying should not be, you know, a thing that happens. It's not acceptable. It's not cute. It's not funny. So I am actually serious about the whole bullying situation. But, you know, as we do know me, I do like to have a little fun. I do like to let my hair down. So we are going to do a tug of war, and it's because I actually do want to. You know, I think it would make for a great video for you guys, and I have gotten a ton, I do mean a ton, of people messaging me saying, you should do a tug of war with Mike's Duramax. You should do a tug of war with Mike's Duramax. Now, just to get it out there before we do it, win, lose, or draw, I'm a car enthusiast. I'm not a power Ford guy. Oh, it's got to be a Ford truck. It's got to be a Ford truck. I'm not a, oh, it's got to be a GM truck. Now I got to be a GM truck. Cummins, you know, oh, it's got to be a Dodge. It's got to be a Dodge. I'm a car enthusiast. I like what I like. I buy what I like. I buy what I enjoy, and I use everything that I have, you know, for enjoyment purposes. So, with that being said, we are probably going to get the tug of war done. And again, there's no bullying involved here, but bullying is a serious thing, and you know, I do want to take a stand for that. So nobody should be bullied, you know. Yeah, let's go have a little fun.
Anyway, this was Steve's idea originally. Then he didn't want to do it, and now he wants to do it again. So I'm here. I think I'm gonna lose. I don't see how I'm gonna win. My truck is lighter.
You have a lot more traction.
I don't think. How am I gonna have more traction? You got 4 fucking tires on the back.
Yeah, both of mine aren't half as wide as yours.
You'll have more traction with 4 tires.
I'm just here.
It all depends on how much.
Yeah, look at the surface area of his truck.
Surface area you have.
He's got a lot of it. I just have. I mean, my tires are wide, but they have little chunks.
Let's measure it.
There's no way.
We'll do that afterwards. We'll measure it.
I win this. There's no
all right.
way.
So where do you want me? You want me? This is your world. Your tug of war. You tell me where you want me for you to win.
Like that dirt, though. I don't.
That dirt's definitely chunky. It's graded versus up here it's not. But I'll go chunky. We know I'm not scared of chunky.
All right, go chunky then. Go chunky then. I just want to make sure it wasn't going to pop off. It's all right. Want me to go to the butt pop? Well, dude. Ready? Go!
Look at this. Look at this. And he still can't pull it. The guy that says, let's do this in 2-wheel drive.
Two-wheel drive.
You dug 4 ruts.
Look at this.
You dug all 4 ruts in the ground.
How am I
in 4-wheel drive? That's all right. You still can't drag it. Look at the ruts.
I'm 2-wheel drive. I would have told you I was in 4-wheel drive.
Oh, you were in 4-wheel drive at first.
I'm still not. Look, I jumped out right as you were yanking. I was literally still in 2-wheel drive.
Well, I can't pull you out of a hole now.
You did switch back to 2-wheel drive. I don't know if you're.
Now I'm in 2-wheel drive.
Now it's like.
Ready? Go!
I am, but I'm not. So what was the reasoning behind
I
this?
just don't know how he was going to get away with it with like 15 counts.
I didn't think
I want to know how he wants to.
four-wheel too.
I literally looked back and his front wheels were like. I'm like, wait a second.
I honestly thought for your vlog, I was like, Steve is absolutely going to be in four-wheel drive.
No.
There's no chance he won't be.
No.
All right.
Unbelievable.
Should I?
Unbelievable. So if you guys do want to know the actual truth, he did technically pull me back. I'd say he pulled me back about what?
I didn't even
3 feet.
I told you I didn't even feel it pulling at all.
Yeah. Well,
The
like
minute I had to hit the gas, I was like, well, I dug in. That's it.
like now Vince already knows, but my truck's only on like 4 pounds of boost. It's in limp mode
You
again.
attempted to pull it while
He was in park. I forgot he was in
Yeah.
park. I thought he'd still be in
Yeah.
drive.
No. Unbelievable. You want to do it in 4-wheel drive now, just for shits and giggles?
might as well. Your setup.
I don't know. I did it one time.
Look.
Now that I'd worry about breaking something. I gave it to you one time.
Yeah. I was in 2-wheel drive.
You got 4 wheels, so do I. It's even. I got 4 wheels.
No, it was not even.
That makes perfect sense. You have 4 wheels moving. I have 4 wheels moving. That's even.
That does not make perfect sense. That does not make perfect sense. So I guess, do I give you the win on this or?
No. You don't know. Don't give me the win.
I told you there was no official ref here, so it's kind of hard.
Yeah.
I don't want the win that way. I thought you were going to go 4-wheel drive.
No.
I'm still going to post it. But
I'm still gonna post 2-wheel drive versus 2-wheel driver. Damn it, because now it makes me look like my 4-wheel drive's broke.
No, it doesn't.
This was lose-lose, Mike. Like I said
It's
from the
already
beginning, it's
lose-lose.
lose-lose
It's
for
lose-lose for
all of
me.
us. Unbelievable. And this is my complete setup. I'm not in 4-wheel drive. I should have definitely been in
I
fucking
really
4-wheel
thought
drive.
with every fiber of my being, I was like, he's going to go 4-wheel
No,
drive.
I wouldn't do it. When I tell you I'm honest, like I am pretty freaking
I
honest.
can't believe you went back at all. I felt nothing.
That's because
I hit the gas and I felt no.
this was literally me like starting to make the little bit of boost that it made. And then once it started making boost, it dug in and it wouldn't let you go
I
anywhere.
was gonna say, I think once we dug in, I wasn't getting out of
Yeah. And that's what it did. Like once it actually made a little bit of boost and would spin these big tires, that's when it like wanted to shut it down. But unbelievable.
Well, it's up to you. What do you want to do?
Might as well try again in 4-wheel drive.
I don't know, dude.
Just the one.
When it comes to real shit, I don't cheat. This will be good. You might bottom the fuck out. You're not gonna, oh my God. I really,
While we're here, we're just gonna...
dude, I really thought you were gonna be way too long for that one.
Now, I did not think the truck was gonna climb this. That's actually a hell of a lot deeper and taller than I thought.
That's nice. Oh my God, yeah. I was like, well, there he goes. His frame's gonna be hitting that.
That
But
is a straight incline. I need my phone. You got a good picture.
here, do it again. Do it again, and we'll get it with your phone for like Instagram.
Go down
That is absolutely insane. I'm not gonna lie, the amount of incline that is right here, like I'm standing straight up. Like I'm not, there's no trickery, you know, I'm literally standing straight up. And it just climbed that like it was nothing too. Are you going up now? Hold on, just so you guys get to see. I'll come back up. That is absolutely
check out these.
gnarly. Guys, I love this truck, I'm not gonna lie. Like now that I'm up top looking down, you see how really like steep that is. Shit.
Yeah, I'll come up. Maybe I'll just go straight. Maybe I'll just go straight for the big one. Hopefully not me.
One of you's roll over.
I feel like I'm more likely to roll than him.
I'm going right home and editing this video.
Climb right up.
I mean, that is pretty badass.
Oh, it's really badass. I can't believe he fucking. I mean, I know the truck would do it, but I thought he's gonna bottom out. That thing's higher off the ground than like it looks, I guess. I mean, it looks pretty fucking high off the ground.
Looks completely
Oh
flat.
Lord, here we go.
There's no way.
It looks pretty steep from up here, bud.
This is stupid.
It looks pretty freaking steep from up here.
The camera can't even give the angle, like how steep it really is.
Yeah, it's really steep.
Don't worry, we'll get you rolling over.
Hey, babe. I'll be home in 10 minutes. Okay. All right. Love you, babe. Bye. Oh.
You got it.
Yeah, the hitch dug like a foot hole.
The hitch got me.
The hitch got you. Well, you got to get some more speed. All right, Steve, give her a rip. Give her a rip. Oh, he's up. He's up. He's up. I mean, it's tough to like show, but this is really steep. Like, this is really quite steep. Yeah. I'm trying to tell, like, it doesn't obviously show up well, but it's very steep. I'm trying to tell him it's very steep. No, this one's mine.
No, this is yours.
Oh, this
My
is,
sevens are at the house.
Shit.
Oh
The camera
my.
can't even pick up how steep it really is.
That should be an inkling, guys. The hitch literally dug in the ground, and as soon as I pulled that hitch out, it literally was able to climb up and out. Like, look at that rock. If this was not steep, like, we're just standing here.
I'll go, well, I mean, they can see your whole rock.
Yeah.
Like, this is like basically straight up.
The crazy part is, like, when you're at the bottom, this is only maybe, I'd say, like, if you would reach straight up, you're only 7 feet from me.
Oh, yeah.
You know, like, that is absolutely insane, guys, and I absolutely just fell in love with my truck again. I was a little mad at Mike for cheating, but now I'm excited.
Question is, Mike gonna do it?
Oh
Let him have his
my gosh. Mike, you gotta do it. Absolutely. That way, if you don't do this, I at least win at something. Something real. Actually helped me there because it wasn't making a bunch of power spinning the tires. I think me not making a bunch of boost is what saved that right there, because it didn't spin the tires.
Mike doing the baby hill?
Oh no, he doesn't want the baby hill. Don't you think you should start little? Don't you think you should start small? No. Like, look at how big this hill is. Like, that's Mike's truck to this hill. Yeah, you bottomed out. Destroyed it. Well, there you have it, guys. If you want to talk Ford tough, the Ford is on top of the hill. Always fun. Always a pleasure.
God damn it.
Wow. All right, guys. Well, there you have it. You know, the only thing I wish we could have done is I wish we could have had a Dodge out there and just had some real fun with it and kind of done some stuff like that. So, Greg A., I guess this is your little bit of a call out. But, you know, it just goes to show, guys, anything can happen at any point. You know, a truck is a truck is a truck, just like a human's a human's a human. You know, I could literally walk from here to the truck and pass out and die, versus you could probably run that distance, you know, half the time that I could, and we could look in the exact same shape. So with that being said, you know, you can't judge a book by its cover. I had fun making this video, and I did it for you guys. I hope you guys did too. So no brand specific here, no Ford dominated, no Chevy dominated, although the Ford did dominate. We're not going to point fingers and, you know, do any of that stuff. We are just going to say we had fun. I enjoyed making this video for you guys. If you like the content, smash that like button. Please subscribe. We got a lot more Ford content coming, guys. Trust and believe. Poor C5.